Hi friends, I'm Clark, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the developer option on your Android mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to enable the developer option on your Android, just click on the setting first. If you just need to confirm that the developer option is enabled, or just search as developer. If it is not find here on the search, just swipe to the bottom section of your setting, and here just click on the system or about phone. Click on this about phone and just swipe down, and you will see an option called software information. Click on this. Now you will see an option called build number. So you just need to go inside the software information on your Android mobile and click on the build number. Tap on it again and again. You just need to tap it 5 times, and you can now you are now developer. So the developer option has been enabled now. So now you just can search or as a developer, and here you can find the developer option on it. So this is how you just enable the developer option on your Android on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.